Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Eventbrite and Facebook. So the use case here is, whenever a new event is created in Eventbrite, automatically create page post in Facebook. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Eventbrite is an event management and ticketing platform, whereas Facebook is a social networking site. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer the data from Eventbrite to Facebook. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Eventbrite to Facebook page post. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate Eventbrite with Facebook. So first here in Choose App, I am going to choose Eventbrite. Okay, so now in Trigger Event, according to our workflow, whenever an event is published in Eventbrite, we want to create a post in Facebook page. That is why event published will be our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on event published because this is our trigger event over here. Now you might ask me, what is this trigger event? So let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever an event is published in Eventbrite, we want to make a post in Facebook page. That is why event published in Eventbrite will be our trigger event, whereas creating a page post in particular Facebook page is our action event over here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Connect with Eventbrite. Okay, so now under credentials, you have two options. If you want, you can create new credentials by clicking on Connect with Eventbrite, or you can select any existing credentials like these. So here I am going to let it be new credentials and I am going to click on Connect with Eventbrite. So here I am just going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here organization is Parker Devin. Okay, fine. I let it be the same. Now here you can see a term called webhook URL and a URL displayed over here. So now you might ask me that what is this webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So using this webhook, what you can do is you can integrate the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Eventbrite in our case. So now here you don't have to do it because we have already built a connection by authorizing. So here what will happen is as soon as you click on save and send test request, this webhook will be set automatically inside the Eventbrite, that is our trigger software application. So here I am going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means our webhook is set. You don't have to manually go and paste it inside Eventbrite. Now I'm going to click on capture webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go to Eventbrite and create an event and publish it. So now I'll go to my Eventbrite account. I've already logged in over here. So now I'm going to create an event over here. Okay, so the event title is going to be, I'll keep it as workshop on integrations. Fine. Type is workshop. Category, I'll keep it as business and professional career. It's an online event. I'll keep the time as 10 a.m. Okay, it'll end at 1 p.m. Fine. Here I'll change the time to India time. Okay, save and continue. I'll just publish this. Okay, now let me write a summary. This workshop will explain how integrations are done between different softwares. Save and continue. So here I'll add a ticket. It's so free. Okay, 150. Save. Next. Save. Okay, so you can see I have successfully published an event over here. You can see workshop on integrations and all the other details are over here. So now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so Pabbly Connect has captured the data over here. You can see we have the user ID and we also have the endpoint URL and the API URL is also here. So I'll just save this information. Okay, so now the thing here is that our ID of the event is over here with the API URL. So we need this ID of the event because we need to get the other details of the event. You can see we don't have the details of the event over here. We don't have the event name, event date, event time. So in order to get the event details, we need this event ID. But the problem here is that the event ID is mixed with the API URL. So we need this ID. So what I'm going to do is I am going to split this text. So I'll just click on plus button over here. And now here in choose app, I am going to use text formatter. And in action event, I am going to split the text because when we use the split text, we can split the text over here. Connect with text formatter. So here you have to enter what text do you want to split. So here I am going to enter the API URL, that is this one. So the separator is going to be this oblique sign over here. So I'll just put it over here. Okay. Segment index. That means what part of the text do you need? Do you need the first part? Do you need the second part? Here I need the second to last part, that is this. That is why I am going to map it here. Save and send test request. So you can see we have got the event ID over here. Now I'll just click on save. Okay. So now we are going to use this event ID to get the other details. So I'll click on this plus button over here and I'm again going to choose Eventbrite. And here in action event, I am going to use get event because I need to get the event details. So here I'm just going to use the existing credential, save. Okay, so now event ID, here you have to map the event ID that we have got from split text. So I'm just going to map it. Here it is, save and send test request. Okay, so here we have the API response. You can see we have the details of our event. You can see the text is workshop on integrations. You can see the description is also here. If you come down, the time zone is here, local time. Okay, fine. So I'll just save this. Okay, so now here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Eventbrite and Pabbly Connect. Now let us begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Facebook and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here and here I am going to use Facebook pages. And in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new event is published in Eventbrite, we want to create a page post. That is why I am going to click on this, connect with Facebook pages. So now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credentials and connect with Facebook pages, or you can select any existing credentials like this. Here, I let it be new credentials and I'm going to connect with Facebook pages. Okay. So now here you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our API response. So first here you have to choose in which page do you want to create the post. So in my Facebook account, you can see I have a page called Pabbly Team and I want to create the page post here. That is why I am going to choose Pabbly Team, that is this one. Okay, page access token, it has already been taken. I'm not going to do anything about it. Message. So what message do you want to publish on your page post? So here I am going to write new event created in Eventbrite. I'll just map the name of our event, that is workshop on integrations, full stop. Now I want my information to come in separate lines. That is why I am going to use this /n over here and I'm going to write the next details. Date of the event. I'll map the date. Start to, I'll write here date and time of the event. To, we have the end time also. Full stop. It is an online event. Okay, so here I'll again add /n. Okay, fine. So here in link URL, you can add any optional link that you want to attach to the post. So here I have the ticket URL, so I'm just going to map it. That is this one. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Eventbrite and Facebook pages. So now I'll go back to my Facebook page and let us check if we have created a new post or not. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Team Facebook page. I'm just going to refresh this once. Okay, you can see new event created in Eventbrite, workshop on integrations. Date and time of the event is here. You can see, okay, it is an online event. And you can see we also have a link over here. If I click on it. Okay, so you can see we have the registration link over here. People can easily register from here. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to Eventbrite and I'm going to create a new event. Okay, so I'll create a new event here. Event title, I'll keep it as Film Festival on Iranian Films. Type is going to be festival or fair. Film media entertainment, film. Online event, I'll keep the date as March 12th, morning 10 a.m. It will end on March 14th, around 5 p.m. Here I'll change the time to Indian time. Save and continue. I'll just publish this first. Okay, now I'll add a summary. This film festival will focus on different genres of films. Save and continue. Free. Quantity I'll keep as 400. Save. Next. Save. Okay, so we have published this event over here, Film Festival on Iranian Films. You can see the date is over here and the time is also there. Now let us go back to Facebook page and check if a new page post is created there or not. So I'll go back to my Facebook page, that is Pabbly Team. I'll refresh this page once. Okay, so now if I scroll down, you can see new event created in Eventbrite, Film Festival on Iranian Films. You can see the date and time is here. It is an online event. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize all this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Eventbrite to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Facebook pages. So now every time an event is published in Eventbrite, automatically a page post will be created in Facebook pages. So we have successfully finished the integration of Eventbrite and Facebook page using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.